Hey guys, jumping on here real quick to show you a new launch from us. This is our new BeautyStat Mini Universal Essentials Kit. Deluxe trial sizes of our Universal C Skin Refiner, our Vitamin C Serum, our Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream, which is our moisturizer, and our new product, our Universal Moisture Essence, a fabulous face oil made of squalane. So I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside. Okay, so inside the Mini Universal Essentials Kit, I want to show you our Universal C Skin Refiner. This is a 1/2 ounce pump bottle. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. So just to show you for reference, this is the full size kit. This is the full size skin refiner. This is the mini. Oh my God, I'm dying right now. So excited about this. Okay, so also we have our Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream, 1/2 ounce jar. Again, this is the full size, and this is the mini in the kit. Oh my God. Okay, and then lastly, we have a new item, our Universal Moisture Essence. This is our face oil, 100% pure squalane, sustainably sourced. This is perfect for rebuilding that moisture barrier. I use this at night over my Universal C. Love it, love it, love it. And this is the full size mini. Guys, this kit is available now at Saks.com, so check it out. And it's also available at our website as well. Thanks again, guys.